pushpanjali.org. Now I would like to welcome Apurva's proud parents to give the welcome address.
Namaste. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today is Father's Day, and therefore I would like to begin my speech by wishing you a very happy Father's Day. On this special day, we have planned an important and memorable event for our beloved daughter Apurva Guru Raja. She will be presenting to you Bharatanatyam Arangetram or Ranga Pravesha very shortly. As you all know, I am Guru Raja Tarikere. This is my wife, Lilavati Guru Raja. This is Amruta. She is the little sister of Apurva Guru Raja. In Indian language, Apurva means unique and Amruta means nectar. For God's grace, we are blessed with two unique and sweet daughters. Thank you. Indeed, today is a very special and cheerful occasion for our family because today we are here to celebrate the consummation of noble and passionate journey that Apurva embarked on 10 years ago with the sole goal of achieving mastery over the wonderful art form. Today in this stream, we would like to remember how this long journey was triggered by a spirited momentum, ambition, advanced by sustained discipline, and bolstered by the hard work of our beloved daughter Apurva. It is a privilege and an honor bestowed upon us today to welcome you all once again for this Apurva's Arangetram. More than anything else, it is your love, it is your support, it is your friendship, and it is your blessings that Apurva needs tonight to carry our onward journey to fulfill our milestone achievement of Bharatanatyam dance graduation. Bharatanatyam dancing is an artistic discipline of high order which embodies man's devotion to God and the opening of his heart to beauty and joy, expressed through the highly stylistic and graceful gestures of body. It carries all the important elements necessary to live life to its fullest glory, awakened mind, theme, and discipline. So, the achievement of Arangetram signifies more than an acquirement of certain skills in performing arts. It is a long immersion in the art and science of living. That is why today's occasion is very significant. It is much more than a dance graduation we are celebrating tonight. Though Apurva was born and raised in this country, she had an innate connection with the land of her ancestors from her very childhood. This intangible but powerful connection with India is one of the most important wheels carrying her to this celebration tonight. Apurva has nurtured this connection all these years in her life, shaping up as a fine young lady, blessed with talent, brilliance, and humility. She is now a senior student at Olmsted High School, Cupertino. She is not only a good in Bharatanatyam, but also has become proficient in Indian classical music, both Carnatic and Hindustani style. Right from her childhood, she has owned and collected a treasure of awards and honors to her credentials. Her complete biography is displayed in the lobby. I would appreciate it if you can go and spend some time reading her biography and appreciate her fabulous achievements. Besides her hectic school schedule, she is also very much involved in volunteering at various non-profit organizations. Currently, she is a co-president of Olmsted Red Cross, activities director of Olmsted Indo-Pak Association. Though Apurva is the center of the Swiss soul dance debut, she recognizes and acknowledges that she would certainly not have made this achievement without the contribution of her dance guru, Srimati Meena Logan, parents, relatives, and all our friends. Apurva's dance guru, Srimati Meena Logan, is the founder and artistic director of Pushpanjali Dance Academy. She herself is a fine dancer and has been a great teacher to Apurva, as our MC mentioned in the introduction. Today, Apurva has decided to dedicate this program and celebration to our beloved parents, grandparents also. Before I close my speech, I would like to recite an auspicious shloka to seek Lord's blessing for an obstacle-free performance. Om Sahana Bhavato Sahanau Gunato Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvi Nama Geetamastu Mahavidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Thank you very much. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Thank you once again.
Thank you, Guru Raj. Now I would like to introduce the wonderful orchestra ensemble tonight. Natuvangam and choreography by Guru Srimati Meena Logan, who is the founder and artistic director of Pushpanjali Dance Academy. On vocal, we have Srimati Jayanti Umesh, who received her training initially from Srimati Janaki and later from Vidusha Sugandha Raman, a well-known exponent of classical music. She has also trained under Professor Suguna Vardachari of Chennai and at music workshops conducted by Dr. M. Balamurli Krishna and Vidwan R.K. Srikantan. She received the Best Musician Award from Bangalore Gayana Samaja in 1984. She also works with Bay Area's well-known musician, Srimati Asha Ramesh, in furthering her musical interests. She has given several solo concerts in India and in the US and currently teaches music in the Bay Area. On Mridangam, we have Sri Ravindra Bharati Sridharan, who hails from a family deeply involved in music and spirituality for decades. He had his initiation into the Mridangam under Sri M.A. Krishnamurti in Mysore in 1980. He then continued to learn under Sri M.K. Venugopal in Bangalore. During this time, he started playing Ghatam as well. In the Bay Area, he received training under Sri Sriram Brahmanandam. Currently, he is furthering his knowledge under Sri Naiveli Narayan. Ravi has also accompanied many leading artists from India and the US. He has also been teaching Mridangam for nearly a decade in the Bay Area and runs a percussion school, Nadopasana Academy of Fine Arts in Cupertino. On violin, we have Srimati Lakshmi Balasubramanya, who is an accomplished violinist with more than 800 concerts to her credit. She has received training from Professor H.V. Krishnamurti, Vidwan S.V. Narayan, and Vidwan H.K. Venkatram. A young artist of very high potential, she has performed and accompanied numerous artists all over the country, including Vidwan T.V. Gopalakrishna, Vidwan R.K. Srikantan, Vidwan Sita Lakshmi Venkateshan, Vidwan Ramamani, and others. She has received awards and honors, including Ananya Pratibhe Award and the Pratibha Kangshi Awards. She received the Best Violinist Award from Ananya Cultural Academy, Maleshwaram Sangeeta Sabha, Gayana Samaja, Nada Jyoti Sangeeta Sabha, Karnataka Ganakala Parishad, and many others. She has a rare distinction of obtaining the first rank in junior, senior, and Vidvat music exams. She is also a B high grade artist of All India Radio. Today's program begins with an invocation by Srimati Jayanti Umesh, followed by Malari. The Malari is a tradition played and danced in front of the deity during a festive procession. In this item, the dancer offers flowers to the gods, followed by salutations to the Guru, the musicians, and the audience seeking their blessings. This is followed by a Kriti, Srinivasa Tiruvenkata. This song is in the praise of Lord Venkateshwara, who resides in the holy place Tirumalai. The dancer describes the beauty of the god and seeks refuge from him. This song is in Hamsa Nandi Raga and set to Aditala and is composed by Papanasham Shivan.
सिद्धिविनायक शरणु सिद्धिविनायक शरणु विद्याप्रदायक शरणु सिद्धिविनायक शरणु विद्याप्रदायक शरणु सिद्धिविनायक शरणु विद्याप्रदायक शरणु पार्वती तनय शरणु पार्वती तनय मूर्ति शरणु पार्वती तनय मूर्ति शरणु मूषिक शरणु पार्वती तनय मूर्ति शरणु मूषिक विनायक शरणु कुक्षिमहालम्बोदरने इक्षुधापनगलिदने कुक्षिमहालम्बोदरने इक्षुधापनगलिदने पक्षिवाहन पक्षिवाहन सिरि पुरन्दर विठलन निजदासने पक्षिवाहन सिरि पुरन्दर विठलन निजदासने सिद्धिविनायक शरणु
Thank you.